It turns out that having a concussion greatly increases the risk of a variety of different, what we refer to as neurobehavioral changes, and mostly in the areas of mood and anxiety, by which we mean with mood, whether you're feeling happy, sad, down in the dumps, or blue, which is the more common complaint that I hear from somebody who has a concussion. Nervousness or anxiety, so things that wouldn't worry you prior to the injury may now seem very concerning. You may find it difficult to sleep because you're worrying about things. Other times people will describe a sense of not being themselves, or perhaps their family members or close friends, people who know them well, will say, yeah, you're really acting differently. And usually what they mean by that is you're maybe more irritable, you may fly off the handle more easily. Things which wouldn't have upset you prior to the injury, you may now find pretty upsetting. Sometimes people get tearful more easily than they would under ordinary circumstances. And all of this conspires or can conspire to make you feel frightened at what's happening to you, or to feel as though your brain is not working quite the way it did in the past. And if you're not aware that those are normal responses after a concussion for many people, then it can be quite upsetting.